So I woke up few minutes back, not minutes back, maybe 30 minutes back, I guess. The time is somewhere around 9:30 in the morning. Uh, so sextortion racket thought they will first use the woman card, huh? Hidden bugs, and they loot me. Then they thought the race card. Then they loot me, huh? And then they make started doing it in a large scale, and they will loot me, huh? That large scale is gonna hurt them now. That large scale activity is gonna hurt them back because everyone wants their arakshan out. I only reversed it, huh? I gave you ways what has to be done, huh? Because the entire race is supporting criminals. And what? The entire race is supporting criminals for their crimes. And what my crime is, what my family's crime is, what only we are rich and we don't entertain garbage people. We don't entertain anyone. What? Okay, they scammed me. Huh? There was some problem in me. What? I must be fighting or something like that. Huh? They wanted to scam my parents. Why? They were also fighting. And what about my grandmother? So she was also fighting. So they killed her and looted everything. What about my sisters? What about my kids' sisters? I must be 15, 16 years old. The people around my house, they were like, नहीं इनका प्रॉपर्टी छीन लेंगे, इनके घर वालों को भी मार डालेंगे, उसके बहनों को क्या बोलते हैं, गायब कर देंगे. I was a kid, and when I got into bad company and all those stuff, they ran away. 10-year old, 9-year old, 6-year old, they might be 11-year old. What they got to do? And when they grew up little older, so there were drivers in their phone. तो ये दूसरे की लाइफ देख के जलना ही हो गया. तो ये दलित रहने के लायकी के नहीं है. ये खुद खुद का प्रूफ दे रहे. प्रोस्टिट्यूशन प्रूफ दे गिव देमसेल्फ, सेक्सटॉर्शन प्रूफ दे गिव देमसेल्फ. ये सब खुद का खुद प्रूफ दे रहे. आई जस्ट हैव टू व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, पुश द बटन एंड दे डू इट.